Okay, remember that crazy viral video of a shrimp running on a tiny treadmill? Let's uncover the truth. When this dropped, people were absolutely outraged. Were millions of taxpayer dollars actually wasted on shrimp fitness? Politicians literally fumed, totally convinced the government was funding tiny crustacean workouts with millions of dollars. But guys, there's a massive gap between that political talking point and the actual on-the-ground reality. The real truth? This infamous setup didn't cost millions. It actually cost $8,000, total of $50. Even better, zero taxpayer money was involved. The scientist funded the whole shebang right out of his own pocket. It was pure DIY genius. He just salvaged skateboard bearings, an old inner tube, and a cheap motor. Then, he just dropped this MacGyver-style contraption directly into a totally standard fish tank. But why do this? Well, inject bacteria, make the shrimp exercise, and measure the microbial levels. This tracked exactly how well the shrimp fought off those infections while they were physically stressed out. This is totally vital for food safety. It reveals how many harmful germs might actually reach your dinner plate. Which really leaves us wondering, what other seemingly wasted scientific experiments are secretly working to keep us safe?